Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today also I am going to analyze gold weekly analysis for your next week gold trade. So yesterday last Friday was released non-farm payroll NFE data. Our Telegram group made 150 pips profit. We sell gold from 2003. So that's the accurate gold analysis with signals. Telegram link is below. You can join with it. So let's go to the next week analysis. I am in daily chart goal. So you can see this year March Silicon Valley Bank was crashed in USA. That's the safe haven demand goal. And another option in this year in Palestine Israel war, that is the safe haven demand goal. So gold is the safe haven assets, that's the market uncertainty gold demand. So you can this see this rally was created in that time this year March, and also I am seeing this type of rally create in this safe haven demand situations, and I am hoping it has market sentiment is normal now and gold will be dropped to the below side. So that's the I am expecting. I am not expecting 2050 like that level gold will reach. So I am expecting that's the gold drop to the below side. That's the safe haven situation with the gold. So I am go to the 4 hour chart for your technically what is the situation on gold. So that's the I am seeing this type of continuation pattern is continuation last week to the upside. This is the trend line. This the it has the liquidity. So I am hoping this liquidity will be cleared in next week. So you will touch with geographical impact, that the what is the going on. Wow is continuing with the more powerful with the joining with another countries or more countries, that the safe haven demand goal increases. So you will touch with geographical impact also. So that's the technically I am seeing this type of pattern is continuing. So you can see the last Friday NFE data was released, that is not positive for US dollar. That's the negative economic data for labor market. That's the 3.9 is the unemployment rate increase, and also NFE data drop to the below side, and also average hourly earnings is drop. That's the not positive negative effect with the labor market with the US dollar, but the dollar is still in strength. I am not sure 25 basis points is the answer to the all world's problems. That's the Fed's bargain says. That's the another 25 bps. Now Fed's current interest rate is 5.5%. That the Powell said the last November FOMC meetings that they will maintain the interest rate 5.5 interest rate. So you will touch with this economic data if we are trading gold. So that is the 4 hour chart you can see. So I am seeing famous reversal pattern in here. Can you see the pattern? So I am see the head and shoulder pattern in this range. This is the left shoulder head, and the right shoulder will be continuing next week. So that is the my technically I am seeing this type of pattern is continuing, and this is the famous reversal patterns. That's the you will to remember, this is the left shoulder and the head, and the right shoulder will be continuing next week, and I am hoping this is the reversal pattern next week to reversal to downside and retest and drop again 1975 my first target, and then 1965 is the second target in next week. So that is the my technically picture I am seeing. So wait for the this liquidity will be collected the downside next week. So that is the I am seeing technically pattern. So you can trade with the sell opportunities with the goal. That's my first target is 1975. That's the next level target is 1965 is the next target. So you will wait for the break to the downside and retest to get the sell trade, and wait, retest and get the sell trade and the downside. So 1975 is the first target. So this is the pattern I am seeing here, famous reversal fat head and shoulder pattern, and that is the not continuation upside pattern. That's you have a sell opportunity there and another sell opportunity with the breakout to the downside. So that is the technically I am seeing this type of picture. Next week you can trade with your own money management, risk management well, and also get the accurate signal with my telegram link is below. So get the trade from the accurate. Thank you very much.